Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Dionne from Clueless. She is Cher's bestie on Dress to Impress. I see a lot of Cher's, but not a lot of Dionne. I love her style, so let's get started with the video. Let's just remove everything first. For the hair, I just used this one in this brown, and I just turned off the beads here. And then for the fit, you don't need anything VIP. I tried to make it non-VIP, but you're going to put this on with this pattern, and I'm just going to put the belt in black. Then we're going to get this shirt. We're going to color it red and the rest white, except for maybe the buttons will just stay red. Then we're going to go here, we're going to get these socks, put it on high striped and color it all black. Toggle the feet and then use these shoes and then color this in all black. Once you're done, for the coat, we are going to use the Easter Bunny one. You can use the one from outside as well, but I'm going to use this one. Second toggle, this one, this pattern. Oops, sorry, this one, sorry. These patterns for trim in black. Or should I do? I'll do the for trim in white. Bodice in white. Chains in red. And collar in white as well. And then for the hat, we are going to use some accessory adjustment, but not a lot. So color it white and then black. And then the flower the same red, and then the rest is white. So we are going to rotate it so the flowers the flowers are at the front. So Y at 0, and then we're also going to rotate it this way. Like that. And then for the bag, I just use this one, but you can use any bag that you like. And that is how you can create Dionne from Clueless. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.